Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best foot cream gift set is probably one of the most thoughtful and pampering gifts you can give to the special women in your life, offering a luxurious experience that goes beyond basic skincare to provide deep hydration, soothing relief, and a touch of indulgence. This set is designed to transform tired, dry feet into soft, rejuvenated soles, making it an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just to show someone you care. Imagine the delight of receiving a collection of premium foot creams, each formulated with nourishing ingredients to combat roughness and restore a healthy glow, ensuring that every application feels like a spa treatment at home. Number 5. ZenToes Moisturizing Socks. Are you tired of dry, cracked heels? Our moisturizing socks are designed to provide intense hydration and relief for your feet. These specially designed socks are infused with vitamin E, olive oil, and jojoba oil. They work to deeply moisturize and soften your skin. Enjoy a luxurious spa treatment in the comfort of your own home. Slip them on for ultimate relaxation and rejuvenation. Looking for a thoughtful gift? These fuzzy blue socks are a wonderful choice for relaxation and self-care for any woman. Experience the gentle yet effective way to heal and protect your heels. They help restore suppleness and comfort to your feet. Our regular-sized, fuzzy blue socks offer a snug and comfortable fit. They are perfect for everyday use or as a special treat. What we like? These socks are infused with beneficial ingredients like vitamin E, olive oil, and jojoba oil for a deep moisturizing treatment. If you are looking for a convenient way to pamper your feet at home and achieve softer heels, this is a great option. They provide a comfortable spa-like experience without leaving your house. What people say. This foot cream is very moisturizing and leaves my feet feeling soft and smooth. The gift set comes with a variety of scents, all of which are pleasant and not overpowering. The packaging is beautiful and makes for a perfect gift. Number 4. Miracle Foot Repair Cream, 3-pack. Are you suffering from dry, cracked heels and feet? Introducing a powerful solution designed to bring you relief and comfort. This cream is specifically formulated to target and repair the most stubborn dryness. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to smoother skin. Infused with 60% pure ultra aloe, it harnesses the natural power of aloe vera. This ingredient is known for its soothing and healing properties. Experience deep moisturization that penetrates the skin. It effectively combats dryness, leaving your feet feeling soft and supple. Not only does it soften rough skin, but it also actively works to repair damage. Enjoy healthier looking and feeling feet with regular use. Get the relief you need with this convenient 3-pack. Keep one in your bag, one at home, and one wherever you go. What we like? With 60% pure ultra aloe, this cream offers intensive repair for dry, cracked heels and feet. If your feet are severely dry or cracked and you need a potent solution, this product is designed for you. The multi-pack ensures you always have this effective treatment on hand. What people say. This foot cream is amazing, it leaves my feet feeling so soft and moisturized. The scent of this foot cream is lovely, not too overpowering. I love that this foot cream comes in a beautiful gift set, perfect for giving to someone special. Number 3. Bliss Lemon and Sage Body Butter. Experience the iconic scent of lemon and sage. This luxurious body butter is designed to deeply nourish your skin. Infused with shea butter and coconut oil, it provides long-lasting, maximum moisture. Enjoy skin that feels incredibly smooth and soft all day. We believe in kindness to your skin and the planet. That's why our formula is both vegan and cruelty-free. Make this body butter a part of your daily routine. It's the perfect way to pamper yourself and achieve supple skin. With 6.7 fluid ounces, you have plenty to enjoy. Let the refreshing scent uplift your senses with every application. What we like? This body butter provides maximum moisture with a blend of shea butter and coconut oil, leaving your skin feeling incredibly smooth and soft. If you love a refreshing and invigorating scent and desire long-lasting hydration, this is the perfect choice. It's also vegan and cruelty-free, appealing to conscious consumers. What people say. This foot cream is very moisturizing and leaves my feet feeling soft and smooth. The scent is lovely and not overpowering, making it a pleasure to use. The gift set comes with a variety of creams, each with a unique scent and benefit. Number 2. Lume Skin Care Gift Set, Peony Rose. Introducing the Lume Skin Care Gift Set, a complete solution for your whole body. Experience the difference of aluminum-free odor control. This smooth solid stick glides on effortlessly, providing long-lasting freshness. It's designed for comfortable, all-day wear. Our invisible cream tube offers discreet and effective odor protection. It leaves no white marks, just confidence. Refresh and cleanse with this mini acidified body wash. It's perfect for maintaining skin health on the go. Stay fresh throughout the day with these convenient deodorant wipes. They are your perfect travel companion for a quick refresh. Enjoy powerful odor control without the harshness of aluminum. This formula is gentle on your skin while keeping you odor-free. This set features the delightful Peony Rose scent, making it an ideal gift for any woman. Give the gift of lasting freshness and confidence. What we like. This set offers a comprehensive approach to odor control for the entire body, featuring aluminum-free deodorant options. If you are seeking a natural and effective deodorant solution that works all over, this starter pack is ideal. The travel-friendly sizes make it perfect for on-the-go freshness. What people say. This foot cream is incredibly moisturizing and leaves my feet feeling soft and smooth. The gift set comes with a variety of scents, all of which are pleasant and not overpowering. I love the packaging of this gift set. It's elegant and makes for a perfect present. Number 1. Ancient Greek Remedy Organic Spa Gift Set. Discover the essence of ancient wellness with our Organic Spa Gift Set. It's a curated collection designed to bring tranquility to your daily routine. Indulge in the rich, natural ingredients that deeply moisturize and revitalize your skin. Feel the difference of pure, organic care. Unwind with the calming scent of lavender that gently soothes your senses. Let this aromatic experience transport you to a state of pure relaxation. This set offers comprehensive care, from head to toe. Enjoy our luxurious body oil, face moisturizer, foot balm, and artisanal soap bars. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This exquisite spa set is ideal for Christmas, birthdays, or simply as a gesture of self-care for someone special. Give the gift of rejuvenation and peace. It's more than just a present, it's an invitation to indulge in much-needed self-care moments. What we like. This organic spa gift set includes a variety of products like body oil, face moisturizer, foot balm, and soaps, all with a calming lavender scent. If you're looking for a complete, luxurious self-care experience with natural ingredients, this set is an excellent choice. It makes for a perfect gift for birthdays or holidays, promoting relaxation and well-being. What people say. This set is perfect for gifting and comes with a variety of creams. The creams are very moisturizing and leave the skin feeling soft and smooth. The packaging is beautiful and makes it a great gift option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.